Hi folks, I wanted to give you a video introduction to how to use this online Java compiler that's going to replace Eclipse for us while we're learning from home. So the website is codiva.io. When you first come to it, you're going to come to this page. It asks you to sign in or create an account. You need to create an account. This screen comes up. Please use your school Google account information to sign in. And let's see if I can get in. Okay, so I'm in. When you log in, it looks like this. It allows you to have a list of projects here. So to create a new project, you give it a project name, and I'll just call it Hello Worlds 2, and click Create. So it's a really simple, slimmed down version of Eclipse. You'll notice that over here it gives you the package, which I just created, which is a folder that's going to hold all my source documents. And then inside the package, the project, sorry, this is a project. Inside the project is some folders that it makes for me. The source folder, SRC, is where we put our class. So I'm going to create a class name. And if you remember, your class has to be all one word. It has to start with a capital letter. So hello, and it has to be exactly the same as your project name. So hello world 2. And down here, what folder do I want it in? I just want it in the source folder. So, and then I click create. And it starts me out with a basic bit of code, just like Eclipse did. And so basically here it has system.out.println, and then in here, remember, we have the parentheses, and inside the parentheses, quotation marks. It's just going to print out exactly what's in quotation marks. So let's just say WB, and I'm going to click run. Takes a minute, and it ran. So it says hello WB. This is the console, which is where the product of your code outputs. And then when you're done, you can click the X here for console, or you can click also the slide, and it will just puts it down below. It's down here now. So that's a basic description of the tool. The last thing that you have to do when you're turning in some work for me is you have to come up here and you have to click this share button. Click share. And now this is public, and then to turn it in, all you have to do is copy this link and go to Google Classroom and paste that link into the assignment. So you click add, link, paste it in there. So that's a basic intro into codiva.io. We learned how to create a new project. We learned how to add a class into the project, and we learned how to share our file so that I can see it when you turn it in. So that's about it. All right, thanks. See you. Bye.